Hello, it's Katie. I have my meal plan for Meal Plan Monday. It's gonna be a few new recipes, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'll put links to new recipes down below. On Monday, I've been having green bowl, a meat-free green bowl, and that's been working out really nice. So without even looking for one for this week, I stumbled across one on Minimalist Baker. I follow her on Instagram, and she has great recipes. So she posted this one called Gado Gado Bowl. It's just quinoa with some veggies on top, and it's got like a spicy peanut sauce, and that just really caught my eye. So that's what we're gonna try. And it has like green beans and red cabbage and, you know, lots of great things that I love anyway. So that's what we're gonna do on Monday. On Tuesday, I wanted to make cabbage rolls. It's something that it's like one of my favorite comfort foods. And so that's what I originally was going to do. I do have a head of Napa cabbage in the refrigerator, and when I went shopping, all of like the regular green cabbages seemed too small to make into large leaves to wrap the cabbage rolls. So I did a quick Google search to see if Napa cabbage would work. I kind of thought that it would, but since it has such a broad, stiff stem, I was just curious to see if anybody had tried it, how it turned out. And of course there were lots of recipes with Napa cabbage, and I saw one that really caught my eye. Instead of, I usually do like pork with rice and a tomato sauce. This was spicy pork. I do beef and rice and a tomato sauce, but this one was spicy pork with Napa cabbage. And it had like garlic and ginger, it had rice and ground pork, and then it was in like a soy sauce and sesame oil sauce to braise them in. And that just sounds really good. It sounds like all of the things that are in egg rolls, because there's usually cabbage and pork and then garlic and ginger and stuff. And it has scallions and all sorts of great things. So I have a feeling it's going to be super delicious. And that is a recipe on, I think it's Serious Eats. I think that's the website. But again, I'll link all the new recipes down below. I think those are just the only new recipes. Wednesday, I still have, I think I have one more pack of steaks, and I think that's about going to do it for our cow. So I'm gonna grill those. Hopefully the weather is nice. It's been either 2 degrees or 72 degrees lately, so hopefully on Wednesday evening it won't be too cold to grill those, because they're just so much better to grill. We get a natural charcoal, like hardwood charcoal, and you know, nothing better than really a good steak grilled over real charcoal. So we have that, and then I got some sweet potatoes at Lidl. So I'm going to just do some baked sweet potatoes and then a salad. I think that'll be a really nice meal. My husband wanted fish, so I just put broiled fish. I'm going to go to Costco on Thursday and just see what they have. They usually have some really nice wild caught salmon, and then sometimes you can find like wild caught cod, or I forget what the other one is. There's another white fish that they have that's wild caught. That's you know, that's what I'm trying to not buy farm fish at all, and actually it kind of freaks me out to think about it. And there's not a ton of options for wild caught fish that's in my price range, or at least what I want to pay for it. So Costco is a really good place to get it. And then this is kind of like my husband's signature dish, is broiled fish with rice and a vegetable, like steamed broccoli, or maybe like steamed asparagus or something, whatever I can find. Friday is taco salad. The way we make taco salad is like a big green salad with taco meat, beans. My family puts cheese on theirs, and then traditionally growing up we put nacho cheese flavored Doritos and Catalina or French salad dressing. To make it dairy free for me, I just sub out the Doritos with corn chips like Fritos, and it's really good that way. So that's how we're gonna do that. I'm gonna hopefully get some avocado and stuff. I have some home canned red beans, so we'll use those. And then on Saturday I'm gonna pull a turkey out of the freezer and just do a simple turkey with gravy, roast potatoes, and then roast carrots. I got some tricolor, like purple, yellow, orange carrots at Lidl, and I'm just gonna roast those and roast some potatoes. So pretty simple turkey dinner, and then we'll have turkey leftovers. So Sunday we'll just have turkey sandwiches, and then raw veggies like carrot sticks, celery sticks, cucumber slices sort of thing. And then these turkey meals will go into next week. We'll probably have a turkey soup, and you know, maybe another week of another night of leftovers, since we have some pretty large turkeys in the oven or in the freezer. Sorry, it's late on Sunday night when I'm filming this, so my brain is shut. My grocery list, I need a lot of fresh vegetables for the gado gado bowl, but a lot of these things are things that I have in my pantry, and they're going to be like quick things. Like, I'm just going to grill steaks, have the sweet potatoes in the oven, and do a salad. I can make ahead, broil fish, steam some veggies, that sort of thing. Taco salad I can make ahead. We're having our bathroom demolished tomorrow, and hopefully not too much longer after that, but it's going to be at least this full week and probably well into next week. So I probably won't do a food prep. I was looking over it, and like I said, a lot of these things, I'm just throwing steaks on the grill. I'm just going to throw a slab of fish in the oven, and then, you know, the turkey I'm just going to throw in the oven. So I didn't have a ton of prep, but I'm probably going to make the peanut sauce and prep the veggies for the green bowl, but that's going to be for that night. So it'll just, you know, make that a little bit easier on Monday. And then I'm going to make the cabbage rolls hopefully on Monday so that they're ready to go just to throw in the oven and cook through on Tuesday. So that's pretty much the only prep that I'm going to do. I could prep for like the taco salad, but that's Friday, so I don't want to go too far ahead of that. I also just need to remember to bring my turkey up out of the oven. Why do I keep saying oven? The freezer. All right. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys next Monday for Meal Plan Monday, if not earlier. Thumbs up my video if you liked it. Subscribe if you like meal plans because I put one out every Monday. See you guys. Bye.